Hello, my name is Josh Payne. This is my online blended module. This is an actual module that I use. Currently, it has been slightly altered due to changes in standards, but this is a module that we use at our school. I do have kids who are virtual and I have kids in person, so we do it so that they can do both, no matter where they are currently taking classes. This is our Unit 5 module, is one of our only modules that is split just exclusively. For this unit, they have to have a prerequisite of linear functions, and by the end, they will have to compare and contrast linear, quadratic, and exponential functions. These are all the standards that they will have to know by the end of the module. It does seem like a bit much, but it's a lot of the same things, just different words. I have included a helpful video. Krista King is fantastic on YouTube. She is the queen of math, so she shows lots of help. So this is one of the things. I've also included their vocabulary that you need for this unit. This is their 8th grade vocabulary for linear functions, but it is what they will need to know for this. Then for my online module, these are the formative grades. These are summatives. It's a little bit different because this is an advanced algebra class, so it's 2179, but these are the 21s. These are the 79s. Then we go to the more. This is our big project. This is their first summative. This hits our UDL guidelines because it is very open. So create a rap song or poem. They can do it however they want. It's not something specific like you have to, solve this or do this, or, there are some solve this using this sites, but it's just one of the three things that they have to do. It's very open and free. It is letting them use whatever way is best for them to explain and solve and show that they understand what is going on in this unit. So it does hit our UDL for equity. Here's their discussion post. This is how to contact me. This is what they're covering daily. These are important links. The discussion post, this is how they would turn it in. This is their daily IXL practice that they're going to have to talk about and then answer using their discussion post. And then finally, at their end of their test, or at the end of their unit, they are going to have to create a presentation of their tic-tac-toe board and explain what they've learned and everything. So these are different things that they can use to do so.